When you're lost in the wild, navigating back to safety is critical. But what if you don't have a map, compass, or GPS? The answer is above you, the stars. For centuries, celestial navigation has helped sailors cross oceans and explorers traverse uncharted lands. In this video, I'll guide you through step-by-step techniques to use the stars for finding direction. Whether you're in a dense forest, an open desert, or even a remote mountain range, this knowledge could save your life. The stars appear to move across the sky, but Polaris, the North Star, remains fixed in the Northern Hemisphere. Finding it is simple. Locate the Big Dipper, trace the two outer stars of its bowl, and follow that line to Polaris. Facing it means you're facing true north. If you're in the Southern Hemisphere, look for the Southern Cross. Extend its long axis about 4.5 times its length to find true south. And don't forget the moon. Its crescent points south in the Northern Hemisphere and north in the Southern Hemisphere. Spend time under the night sky. Practice identifying constellations and watch how they move. Over time, this skill becomes second nature. Celestial navigation is a timeless survival skill. Whether you're following Polaris or the Southern Cross, or using the moon as your guide, this knowledge could one day save your life. Go outside tonight, look up and start practicing. Stay safe, and always look to the stars.